teach you to solve a randomly scrambled 3x3 Rubik's Cube in 10 minutes. Before we officially start learning, we need to first learn two basic moves for solving the cube. One is the right hand up, hook, down, return, and the other is the left hand up, hook, down, return. As long as you master these two basic moves, the following steps will become very simple. The first step in solving the cube is to make a white cross on the top layer. It doesn't matter if there are other white pieces around it, as long as it forms a white cross. This step is very simple. When we get a randomly scrambled 3x3 cube, first turn the white center to face upward, then find edge pieces that contain white. Once you find one, rotate it so that it matches with the center. For example, if there is already one piece on the top layer, we don't need to worry about it. Continue looking for pieces with white. After finding one, face it toward yourself. For instance, if you see a white-green piece on the right side, you could push it up directly. But if pushing it up directly would disturb a correctly placed piece above it, then move that piece aside first so there is an empty spot above, and then push it up. Now you have two pieces. Continue looking for white edge pieces. After finding one, face it toward yourself. For example, if you see a white-blue piece on the left side, then push the left side up. Now the white cross has three pieces completed. Keep looking for white edge pieces. If you see one on the side of the bottom layer, face it toward yourself. Then rotate the front layer once. Now it moves to the middle layer. If there is a correct piece above it, move that aside, then push it up. Now the white cross is complete. There are only three possible cases when solving the white cross. First case, the white edge piece is in the middle layer. If there is a correct piece above it, move it aside and then push it up. If there is no correct piece above, you can push it up directly. Second case, the white edge piece is on the side of the bottom layer. First, move it under an empty spot, then rotate the front layer once. If there is a correct piece above, move it aside and push it up. If not, push it up directly. Third case, the white edge piece is on the bottom face. Move it under an empty spot, then rotate it twice to bring it up. Now the white cross is complete. Step 2 is to make a true white cross. Based on the previous fake white cross, align the side colors of the cross so that they match the center colors. 2 blues, 2 oranges, 2 greens, and 2 reds. After completing the fake white cross, rotate the top layer. There are only two possible situations. First situation, 2 adjacent side colors are aligned and match. For example, on this cube, 2 orange sides match and 2 green sides match, while the other adjacent sides do not match. Second situation, 2 opposite sides are aligned. For example, the 2 blue sides match. Second situation, 2 opposite sides are aligned. For example, the 2 blue sides match and the 2 green sides match, while orange and red do not match. There are only these two situations. For the first situation, where 2 adjacent sides match, position the cube so that one of the matching sides is on the left and the other is in front. Then perform the right-hand basic move taught earlier, up, hook, down, return, and then add one more up move. Let's do it. Up, hook, down, return, and up. This will align the other 2 sides. For the second situation, where opposite sides match, position them so that one is in front and the other is in the back. Then, perform the same sequence. Up, hook, down, return, up. After that, rotate the top layer. It will turn into the first situation, where 2 adjacent sides match. Then position one on the left and one in front, and do the same sequence again. Up, hook, down, return, up. Now everything is aligned. Now the true white cross is complete. Step 3 is to complete the white layer. After finishing, it should look like this. Not only is there a white face, but the colors of the 4 side edges are also aligned. Based on the true white cross, we now place the 4 white corner pieces one by one. Once done, the first layer of the cube is complete. There are only 4 possible cases when placing white corner pieces. First case, the white side of the corner piece is facing right. Second case, the white side is facing left. Third case, the white side is facing upward. Fourth case, the white corner piece is in the bottom layer. How do we determine which direction the white side is facing? First, find a white corner piece on the top layer. Hold the color next to the white with your fingers, then rotate the bottom 2 layers to match it with its center. For example, if the color next to white is blue, hold the blue with your thumb, then rotate. Then rotate the bottom 2 layers so that the blue matches. The blue center on the same face, facing yourself. Then let's see where the white is facing. We find that the white is facing to the right. Okay, white facing right is the first case. We use the right hand to do it once, using the basic right hand technique taught at the beginning. Up, hook down, return. Up, hook, down, return. Then this white corner piece is in place. The second case is the same. After finding the corner piece with white, use your thumb to pinch the color next to the white and find its center. It is orange, so put the orange together with the orange center on the same face. Then face yourself. Next, look at the white. We find it is facing to the left. White facing left, we use the left hand once. Up, hook, down, return. Up, hook, down, return. Then this corner piece is also done. The third case is when the white is facing upward. Then we need to rotate the bottom 2 layers so that its side blue matches. The orange center on the same face, and the orange matches the blue center on the same face. Then place it at the top right corner and use the right hand 3 times. Up, hook down, return. Up, hook down, return once. Up, hook down, return twice. Up, hook down, return 3 times. After 3 times, this white corner piece is in place. The fourth case is a special situation. We cannot find a white corner piece on the top layer. We find the white corner piece is in the bottom layer. Then place any incorrect white corner piece from the bottom layer at the bottom right corner. And use the right hand once. Up, hook down, return. Then there will be a white piece on the top layer, and it will only be one of the 3 situations above. We just solve it normally. Step 4 is to complete the first 2 layers. After putting them together like this, we then place the 4 edge pieces of the middle layer one by one. Then the first 2 layers are completed. In this step, when placing the edge pieces, there are 3 situations. Let's look at them one by one. First, we need to find an edge piece in the top layer that does not contain yellow. For example, here the pieces without yellow are orange green and orange blue. Both do not contain yellow. We can do either first. For example, we do orange green. We check the side color of orange green. The side is orange, so we rotate the bottom 2 layers so the orange matches the orange center. On the same face, facing ourselves, then look at the top color. The top of orange green is green, so we rotate this orange green edge piece to the opposite side of the green center. The green center is on the left, so move it to the right so they are opposite. After moving to the right, we start from the opposite direction, using the left hand up, hook, down, return. After finishing with the left hand, switch to the right hand. Note that we rotate the cube slightly to the right, then use the right hand once. Up, hook, down, return. Now the red-blue piece is in place. The third situation is when you cannot find any edge piece without yellow on the top layer. You find those pieces without yellow are all in the middle layer, but in the wrong positions. Then take any incorrect non-yellow edge piece and place it at the front right. Use the right hand once. Up, hook, down, return. After the right hand, switch to the left hand. Rotate the cube to the left. Then use the left hand once. Up, hook, down, return. After finishing, the non-yellow red-green piece that was in the middle layer is moved to the top layer, and we can solve it normally. Step 5 is to make a yellow cross on the top layer. It doesn't matter whether there are yellow corner pieces. We only need a yellow cross. After finishing the first 2 layers, the top layer will have 3 situations. You might be lucky and already have a yellow cross. The 3 situations are a straight line, an L shape, and a yellow center dot. We don't look at yellow corner pieces, only the yellow edges. For the straight line, place it horizontally. Then perform the formula, press the front layer down, then use the right hand once. Up, hook, down, return. Then lift the front layer back up. Now the yellow cross is formed. The second case is the L shape. Place it at the 9 o'clock direction. It must be placed like this. Again, don't look at the yellow corners. Press the front layer down, then perform 2 times. Up, hook, down, return. Up, hook, down, return. Then lift the front layer. The yellow cross is formed. The third case is the yellow center dot. For the yellow center dot, it can be placed in any orientation. We still don't look at the yellow corner pieces. As long as there is only a yellow center dot, we handle it the same way. First, press the front layer down, then use the right hand to do 3 times. Up hook, down return, up hook, down return, up hook, down return. Then lift the front layer back up and the yellow cross will appear. After making the yellow cross, the next step is to align the yellow edge pieces with their centers. At this time, hold the cube and look at which edge pieces are already aligned with their centers. There are 2 possible situations. Either one side is aligned or none are aligned. If one side is already aligned, place that aligned side at the back. Then we perform the move. Use the right hand to do up hook. Down return, then rotate the top layer. Then use the right hand again for up hook. Down return, then rotate back. After completing this, the 4 yellow edge pieces will all match their centers. If none are aligned, perform the same move once. After doing it once, there will definitely be one aligned side. Then place that aligned side at the back and repeat the move again. After that, all 4 yellow edge pieces will be aligned. Next step is to position the yellow corner pieces. At this stage, we only need to put the corners in the correct positions. Orientation does not matter yet. First, check whether any yellow corner is already in the correct position. The correct position means the 3 colors of the corner match the 3 centers around it. If there is one correct corner, place it in the front right position. Then perform the move. Right hand up hook, down return, left hand up hook, down return. After finishing once, check again. If not all corners are correct, repeat the same move until all 4 corners are in the correct positions. If there is no correct corner at the beginning, perform the move once randomly. After one time, there will definitely be one correct corner. Then place that correct corner in the front right and repeat until all corners are positioned correctly. The final step is to orient the yellow corners. Hold the cube so that an incorrect yellow corner is at the front right top position. Then use the right hand repeatedly to do up hook, down return, up hook, down return, until that corner is correctly oriented. After one corner is solved, do not rotate the whole cube. Only rotate the top layer to bring the next incorrect yellow corner to the front right position and repeat the same move. Solve each corner one by one in this way. During the process, the top layer may look messy, but don't worry. Once all 4 corners are oriented, the cube will be fully solved. This step is completed. If there are no eyes, after turning the yellow face toward yourself, do the formula we just used once. Up, back, up, then bottom, bottom, then down, hook up, then bottom, bottom. Okay, up, up. Then there will be one pair of eyes. Then we align the eyes facing ourselves, flip the yellow face toward ourselves again, and do the same. Up, back, up, bottom, bottom, then down, hook up, bottom, bottom, then up, up. Now the 4 corner pieces on the top layer are positioned. Step 8, which is also the final step, is to place the remaining unsolved edge pieces. Then the cube will be fully restored. Before doing the final formula, we first need to find a solved face on the side of the cube. There are 2 situations. Either there is a solved face, or there isn't. If your cube has 2 solved faces, this is impossible. It means your cube is assembled incorrectly. Or if 2 opposite faces are solved and the others are not, that is also an assembly mistake. Take it apart and reassemble it. If there is a solved face, place that solved face toward yourself. If there isn't, just hold it randomly and perform the final formula. Do it like this. First, use the right hand to do up hook, down return, up hook, down return. Then use the left hand to do up hook, down return. Here, when switching to the left hand, we do not need to rotate the cube. Just use the left hand directly. Up hook, down return. Next, use the right hand to do hook up, return down, which is the inverse of up hook, down return, hook up, return down. Then use the left hand to do hook up, return down. If it is not solved after one time, do it again. First right hand up hook, down return, then left hand up hook, down return, then right hand hook up, return down, then left hand hook up, return down, then the cube will be restored. If there is no solved face, hold it randomly and do the same formula. Right hand up hook, down return. Left hand up hook, down return. Right hand hook up, return down. Left hand hook up, return down. Then there will be a solved blue face. Put the blue face toward yourself and repeat the same. Right hand up hook, down return. Left hand up hook, down return. Right hand hook up, return down. Left hand hook up, return down. Then the cube will be fully restored. So restoring the cube is very simple, right? Have you learned it? If you have, feel free to leave a comment to check in. Once you master this method, solving within 1 minute is completely no problem. If you want to challenge faster speeds, like solving in a dozen seconds or even a few seconds, you can continue learning speed cubing methods with us. The most mainstream advanced method right now is CFOP. Once you master this method, it's hard not to solve within 20 seconds. So if you want to get faster, you can learn this method. That's the end of this video. Bye-bye.